Welcome to another inventory video at Hudson Auto Works. Today we're featuring a 2013 Hyundai Santa Fe 2.0 turbo all-wheel drive version. Comes in this frost white pearl color. Very glittery. This car has brand new tires all the way around. Check out the buyer's guide. Right here is our address, 812 Post Street, Greensboro, North Carolina, 27405. Here's our number, 336-772-0685. All right. Let's continue going around. Here we can see it's the Sport 2.0 all-wheel drive version. All right, let's check out this trunk. I have an outlet here. All right. All right. Here's our back seats. We have 3 back here. Just able to put away. So this is a two-tone interior. We have more of a dark brown going on here, and our seats are a fabric beige color, as well as our roof. Window button, lock buttons, our lock switch and the door handle. We have owner's manual and other accessories in there. Let's continue going around. Once we get up in here, we're gonna talk about the car history a little more. Right, this is a push to start, so that's what we're doing. As we can see, the odometer states we have 100,422 miles. This is a 2013 vehicle. It only has one owner, and the owner came from Virginia, so they kind of averaged out 12,770 miles every year. This car has no reported accidents, and it has an amazing service history dating back from the original manufacturer production up to the first owner and up to today. That was frosty, and the temperature's changing already. That's good. Climate controls are working well. Let's try out the radio. All right, let's not go crazy on that. Climate control buttons. We also have 2 outlets, an aux cord, and a USB input there. This is a automatic transmission. You have the option to knock it into the plus and minus mode. Would not recommend for casual driving. Oh yeah, and this car also has an eco mode. You can find this button here, and it also tracks your gas mileage. All right, I'm gonna keep the engine running. Let's check it out. If you can hear that, that's because I took the key outside the car. So this car is freshly detailed. We make sure to do that to all of our vehicles we offer for sale. And remember, this is a 2.0 turbo all-wheel drive version. So this is a higher spec car than the other base models. Everything in here is super clean. We do oil changes. We service all of our vehicles, including the tires as well. If you want to come check out the cars, it's ready to go. Visit us at hudsonautoworks.com/inventory. See more contact information, see more listing details such as the CarFax.